Hi friends, how are you all? Today I am back here with a brand new video of Help Cat with Math Quiz from quizfacts.com. In this video there are more than 80 questions, but you need to do just 15 questions correctly to get your reward. Okay, now let's begin. The question number 1 has maximum 6 variants. For that reason, you have to watch out for the mathematical problem on the images. The question number 2 has maximum 7 variants. For that reason, you have to pay your attention to the mathematical problems on the images. The question number 3 has maximum 6 variants, and for this question you need to focus on total 3 things. First, read the question, then see the options and the images too. So in variant 1, if they offer you the question as how many total mittens are on all the kittens, if you get this type of question, you need to select the option 16. Now in variant 2, if they ask you the question how many mittens are on the grey kittens, then you need to choose the option 5. Alright, now in variant 3, if you get the question how many total mittens are on the tan and grey kittens, so if you get this type of question, you need to click the option 6. Okay, now in variant 4, if you get the question how many green mittens are there in total, and if you get the 4 options as 2, 5, 6 and 7, then you need to select the option 6 among these options. Again in variant 5, if you get the question as how many kittens have green mittens, and if you get the 4 options as 2, 3, 5 and 4, then you need to select the option 2 among these 4 options. Okay, at last in variant 6, if you get an image of a cat which is dreaming of becoming a lion, and if you get this question, then you need to select the option 25. The question number 4 has maximum 9 variants. So for that reason you need to see the images and also read the questions very carefully. The question number 5 has maximum 7 variants, and for this question you need to see the mathematical problems on the images attentively. The question number 6 has maximum 5 variants. So you need to read the questions and also see the total sum of the mathematical equations on the images. The question number 7 has maximum 5 variants, and you need to see only the mathematical problems on the images attentively. The question number 8 has maximum 6 variants. So you need to pay your attention to the mathematical problems and also read the questions. The question number 9 has maximum 4 variants. So you have to give your 100% focus to the mathematical problems on the images. The question number 10 has maximum 5 variants. So you have to give your 100% focus to the mathematical problems on the images. The question number 11 has maximum 4 variants. So you need to watch out for the mathematical problems on the images and also read the questions. The question number 12 has maximum 3 variants. So you need to watch out for the mathematical problems on the images before clicking any option. The The question number 13 has maximum 7 variants. So you need to see the mathematical problems on the images, and also you need to listen my words very carefully. So first in variant 1, if you get the question, can you help the grouchy cat unlock this safe? And if you get the question mark boxes at the last position, then you need to choose the option 3 and 6. Again in variant 2, if you get the question, can you help the grouchy cat unlock the safe? And if you get the question mark 2 boxes at the first position, then you need to select the option 1 and 3. Okay, now in variant 3, if you get the question, there are 26 grumpy cats in total. There are 8 more grumpy cats with black spots than grumpy cats with white spots. Then you need to choose the option 17. Alright, now in variant 4, if they ask you the question, there are 38 grumpy cats in total. There are 8 more grumpy cats with black spots than grumpy cats with spots. Then you need to select the option 23. Okay, now in variant 5, if you get the question, there are 23 grumpy cats in total. There are 9 more grumpy cats with black spots than grumpy cats with spots. Then you need to click the option 16. Alright, now in variant 6, if you get the question, there are 39 grumpy cats in total. There are 7 more grumpy cats with black spots than grumpy cats with white spots. Then you need to select the option 23. At last in variant 7, if they ask you the question, there are 150 grumpy cats in total. There are 44 more grumpy cats with black spots than grumpy cats with white spots. Then you need to choose the option 97. The question number 14 has maximum 5 variants. So you need to see the numbers on the images attentively before choosing any option. The question number 15 has maximum 6 variants. So you need to see the mathematical problems on the images very carefully.